Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL section. In this video, we continue further with joins. We are using two tables over here for this example, dim products and fact internet sales. Now what I've done is I have created a new table called dim products by using dim product, which you already have in the AdventureWorks. So I have just formatted the product key in 4 digits. So I say product key 0000 and I have concatenated p hyphen. So if you look at the data, this is how it looks. Now I want to join these tables. Obviously, product key being the common or product ID being the common column between both. The problem with these tables is that the dim products table is of varchar type, the product ID, whereas the product key in fact sales is integer type, and definitely both the data sets are not matching. For example, if you try to join, we'll call this as P join fact internet sales F on I say P dot product ID is equal to F dot product key, and if you run, it will say conversion failed while converting n varchar value to the data type int. It will try to promote to higher data type, but it will fail in this case because this is a varchar data type. So if you observe carefully, what we want to do is, I've done this on purpose so that you could understand how can you write expression in the on condition of join. So here I have p prefixed to all the product keys and then hyphen and then in 4 digits. So our logic over here is we will extract only the right 4 characters which are numeric and then take care of it. How can you do it? You can write the expression directly over here. You can say write of product ID, comma 4. That's it. And once you do select star, you see the data is coming. Now what I want is only few columns. For example, I want p dot product ID, comma, I say p dot English product name and f dot sales amount. There you go. Now product ID you can take either from the fact sales or the dim products table. I prefer to use the dim products table because it is the entity table. It will have the maximum products. Alright. So this example is explaining you that you're not limited only to writing columns in your join condition. That's why I say that it is an expression, the join expression. So here you can write anything like this as long as both the data types are matching. It is fine. Now try and understand over here. Although this was varchar and product key is nothing but integer, how did it work? The reason it worked is because if you extract the right 4 characters of this, it will still be string, but it will try to convert to integer because of the other side column, which is an integer, and it will succeed this time because the right side of it, if you have a look on this, if you write this expression in this way. So these are all digits. Even those are stored in string, the implicit conversion will take place as we have seen earlier in the cast example. So here you don't have to worry about casting it. At times, if you still want to cast, it would look somewhat like this way. You can say cast as int and execute. That's the way you will do casting or conversion, data type conversion. All right. So you have the freedom to write expressions, to use functions in the join condition or expression. But as long as both the data types are matching and the values are matching, it will produce the result. So hope you understand this logic. We will be continuing on using these kind of expressions in our future scenarios when we do joins. That's it in this video. See you in the next one.